Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the primary color on the Journals application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen. You can find different buttons, and new, if you want to set the color, just go to the lower bar, click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and in the search section, the tools, you can find the third button, the primary color. Click that and you can find different colors in the basic section, the business and the school. Just select one and click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.